Today we're going to be sanding this piece of Buckeye Burl. It's been rough cut with a chainsaw, and we need to get it smooth and finished. It's too big to fit through our planer. So we're going to be using the Festool RO150 dual mode sander. It's a 6-inch sander. We've got it coupled with dust collection to the Festool CT26 dust extractor, along with the Festool CTVA20 dust cyclone. And we're going to start with a 40 grit pad to get it smoothed down, and then we'll work our way up from there. We've removed most of our chainsaw marks, gotten this fairly smooth and level. We've been using the geared eccentric mode on the RO150 coupled with 40 grit paper. You can see there's been very little dust buildup, dust above the table. That's due to the efficient dust collection through the sander and through Festool's dust extractor. The increased airflow through here, we've got multiple holes here and air chambers that flow through this pad. They reduce heat and friction on the pad, which also reduces buildup of material and make your pads last much longer. We're ready to move to the next grit, probably about a 120 or 150, make the next pass. And then we'll finally go up to a 220 and switch over to the orbital mode to finish this project up.